What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And as you saw on the thumbnail, today I will show you one of the best way to make money with your graphic design. I will show you how you can set up your design shop and start earning from it. And especially from AMAZINGPLay, how you can get $10 worth of cash start and much more into this very video. Now before I waste any more time, let's roll this intro and start this video. The website that I'm going to talk to you about is MasterBundles.com. It is a marketplace just like Amazon and Flipkart in India, but here people can buy designs or design bundles and similar much more. If you are beginner, then MasterBundles is great for you because of the easy setup, and even if you are having shops already, then you can also set up your shop here along with all the others and make more money. Websites like Graphic River, Creative Market, Free Pick and some other similar websites are there, but they have plenty of people working with them, and comparatively MasterBundles is more reliable and you can make more money. You're having more chances of getting into ranks just because it is comparatively new website to begin with. This website is also easy to get your account approved. Just follow the video and you are good to go. You can sell here graphic templates, social media posts, fonts, logos, banner packs, patterns, ebooks, along with stock photos and vectors as well, and so much more. I will show you how did I uploaded my first design bundle later in this video as well, so be sure you watch this video till the end. Once you started making sales on your designs, you can withdraw that money from either PayPal or Payoneer directly to your bank account. And again, it is very simple, just like UPI in India. And even if you belong to any other countries, these two sites will work just fine. You will get 50% of commission on every sale you make, and once you complete $50 in your account on this website, you are ready to withdraw that money and request them to withdraw that money from your PayPal account to your bank account directly. So that is easy to accept and get payments from this website. If you got any problems or questions, you can email them or call them. They will help you with your problems, or you can also DM me on Instagram or in the description of this video. They have a great support team as well, and they are trying to make the best experience for their sellers. And here comes the exciting part. Especially for you, I have agreed with MasterBundles a special bonus for everyone who is going to upload products at MasterBundles for the first time. Step 1, you just need to follow and fill the Google form from the link in the description and submit your details to MasterBundles for their promotions. Step 2, upload 10 bundles/products to your vendor page and get up to $10 worth of cash to your account. If at least 3 products are exclusive, you have this opportunity to get up to $20 as well. You will just have to make $40 or $30 more to make your first payout. Now I'm going to show you how you can set up the account, and I will also upload my first product on this website. Once you click the first link in the description, this is the website that will open up. This is MasterBundles.com, and this is how it looks like mobile version. So now to create an account, you will have to click on this account, this icon right here, which will open up login info. So you'll have to click on the login. Then right here we'll have to register first to create the login IDs. So we will have to fill in those details like this. So this is just very simple, very standard, and yeah, these are the details that we are filling right now. So first of all, I will type in my name right here for the first name. Then I will type in my second name or last name. Yes, this is my last name. Then I will type in my email ID, which will be my main email ID to work with this account. So yeah, this is the mail ID that I am typing in right now, AMAZINGPLAY45. And yeah, so once you do that, now you will have to type in your username. You can pick up any username that you want to, and then you will type in the password, which will be your login ID and password. So yeah, email ID is your login ID and your password is your password right here. So once you do that, you will have to fill in your display name right here, and this link will be for the websites that you already have accounts. So yeah, you will have to put in, you can also leave this link now if you are beginner, leave it blank, and then you will add the description that who you are, what your designs are, what your experience is. You can also check out what designers are uploading on this option right here, but this is pretty much about yourself, that how much experience you have, how long you have been working as a designer, similar to that. Now once you fill up your description, this is the mail that you have to put in. You will have to put in your Pioneer mail address. So yeah, this could be your PayPal or Pioneer email address to get your payments. I will talk about that later, but once you register, I already have registered onto this website already to check it out. So I'm just going to add my email address right now and the password. So I'm just going to add the email right here, just like this, and add the password right here. So once I add the password, I'm just going to hit the login right here like this, and here you go. And this is how the website looks like as your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard looks like, and it is very basic. It looks a little weird to me, at least now, but it looks really good on the desktop version, but this will do the job as well. So once you see the option right here, add product, once you click on that, you will be able to add the bundle that you want to add. And right now I'm going to be uploading my bundle right here, just like you do. So yeah, once you click on that, this is the web page that you will see, and you will be opening up. So once you click on the add product option, this is the page will open up. You can also watch this video right here, but I have already done the research and everything, so I'm just going to upload my name right here. So it is saying add your product name. So right now I'm uploading a product which is a Facebook cover bundle pack. So this is what my name of the product looks like, and I'm just going to paste it right over here. So this is how your product name goes. This is just like a YouTube thumbnail and a title. So yeah, it is similar to that. So right now I will upload the images, which will be the YouTube thumbnail similar. So these images should look something like this. I'm also going to put some of the images right over here, which are my images as well, as you can see on the screen as well, or I will put some similar images from the website itself. So you will have an idea that what you want to make. Also, one more thing that you will have to keep in mind, that they have to have a specific size. I'm going to mention them, or otherwise you will get this error as you can see on the screen. So to avoid that, you need to pre-make those templates or those thumbnails or those images which will show your designs just like this into a specific format, into a specific image size. So I just right now this image has some errors to me. So I am going back to PixelLab and adjusting this size. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna hit OK and again re-export it to my galleries. Now I am again re-uploading the image which I just exported from PixelLab. So I am again gonna go into my galleries. From here I will go and see the image that I have just exported from PixelLab and uploaded, and here you can see it is updated very cool. So now this is the third part. So here you will have to upload your zip file, which will have all of your assets, like all of your designs that you want to sell in PSD form, in project file form, and if you want to add some more things like PNGs or preview images, you can add them over here as well and make a zip file out of it. So I've already created one and I'm just going to upload it right here, and it says successful because it is just perfect and zip file. So yeah, this is how everything looks like. Now you will come up with this thing called add media. So you will have to again make some thumbnails for your designs that will showcase your work, and people who will buy will know what they will getting, what they'll be getting in the pack. So yeah, right now I'm adding the description. So this description will depends up to you, but here you will have to add what is inside the pack, how they can use it, and some of the related things like the PSD files, how they can edit it, and similar to that. Also you will get similar ideas on the website as I said earlier. Now after description, now I'm adding the product tags. So this will be the tags that you want to these will be similar tags which will be included in your title. So right now I'm adding Facebook cover, social media. So yeah, this is the tags which will help the website know what's the problem or what the product is all about. And once you add the tags one, you will get to see the category option right here. I wouldn't recommend that you go and adjust the custom your search engine. That is not necessary. The website will do the part. Now again I'm going here in adding the categories. So as you can see, you will see a lot of categories right here, and you will see what other designs are accepted on this website. But when I see that, I think it's really amazing that there are so many options. As you can see, logos, pattern, t-shirts, textures, illustrations. Here you have stock, so audio footage, video footage. You have templates right here. So what do we have is social media. So again, I'm gonna go click on social media right here. Now we have Facebook cover, so we will select the Facebook and we are good to go. Now we will have to add these right here. So if your buyer will be using it for personal use, then how much it will cost him or cost that person, then the commercial use, then extended commercial use. So just fill in the the pricing that you want to have in US dollars. Now once you're done with that, you can also auto price your product, so the website will do the job and price your product as compared to all the rest of the products are available in the same category. So once you do that, you will select the color options right here. Then you can select the file types, which of the project files that you are uploading in the pack. Now you can see all the standard PLP files or project files that are available over here. So JPG is another one that is over here. Then you can upload designs into PNG format as well. Then there is PSD file, obviously. So yeah, there are all kinds of standard project files that you can select and you can upload into, and we are also working on PLP files. So yeah, now once you click on that, it is taking me to this point right here. You can't really skip add media option, so you'll have to put in the designs right here as well. So I've already created them. I'm just gonna go upload them from here as well. So I'm gonna go into my designs right like this in my galleries, and I'm gonna upload this image once again right here. But yeah, you can just see how people are doing it. I'm also posting them in the side as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go upload right here as well. So this will be the size, this will be compatibly sized for Pinterest as well. So yeah, this is how you'll fill it. Now I'm gonna click on publish option right here, select the post option right here first, and then I'm gonna go publish. And once I click on that, here you go. So as you can see, I have just uploaded my first bundle on this website, and this will go for a review. They will review it, and if everything is okay, everything that you have uploaded, you have mentioned is okay, then this product will be online on the website to sell. So this is how the standard upgradation process looks like. So yeah, do check out MasterBundles. All the links that you need are in the description. Do subscribe to this channel as well. I am going to come up with more videos just like this in the future updates. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next one.